Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Hetzner Cloud CLI for VPS deployment workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Hetzner Cloud CLI for VPS deployment workflows, start by visiting the official Hetzner Cloud website. Locate the documentation section, which provides comprehensive resources for users. In the documentation, find the section dedicated to the Hetzner Cloud CLI. This will guide you to the installation instructions for various operating systems. Choose the appropriate OS for your environment, such as Windows, Mac OS. For Mac OS, you can install the CLI using Homebrew. Open your terminal and enter the command, brew install cloud. For Debian-based Linux distributions, use the package manager for installation. Run the command, sudo apt-get install cloud. If you prefer using a binary, return to the documentation to download the latest release. Select the binary that matches your architecture. Once downloaded, move the binary to your user's local bin directory. Use the command, sudo mvcloud/usr/local/bin. Make the binary executable by running chmod +x/usr/local/bin/cloud. Now, verify the installation by checking the version. Enter the command, cloud version. If successful, your terminal will display the installed version of the Hetzner Cloud CLI. Next, set up your API token for authentication. Navigate to your Hetzner Cloud console and create a new API token. Copy the generated token to your clipboard. Back in your terminal, run the command, cloud context create. Paste your API token when prompted. This will configure your CLI context for future commands. With the installation complete, you're ready to start using the Hetzner Cloud CLI for your VPS deployment workflows. Refer back to the documentation for commands and examples to get started. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.